Hello and welcome to the syllabus review for Math 126, which is Pre-Calculus 1, Section 8041. This is the Open Enrollment section for fall of 26, although the syllabus is pretty much the same as the what we had in the past, so if you stumble across those videos, shouldn't be much different. Anyway, my contact information is here at the top, my email address, office number, building a number, office phone number, and then the office hours. So I'm going to do Monday and Wednesday 10 to 11 a.m., then 12:20 to 12:50 p.m. in Cedar 303. Now I can turn on the Zoom if someone online would prefer that, so just let me know. And then on Tuesday I'll have online office hours only from 10 to noon. Okay, prerequisites Math 96 or 3 units of high school mathematics at the level of, really should say Algebra 2 and above, because 96 is really like Algebra 2. Course description provides a, stop jumping around, that'd be helpful, a third course in algebra, hence Algebra 1, Algebra 2. Topics include a polynomial, rational, and radical equations, absolute value, and quadratic inequalities, relations and functions, linear, quadratic, polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions. Those are a lot of fun. There are graphs and applications, even more fun, and systems of equations. So, course objectives, these are from the college. I'll let you go and read through those if you'd like. Course credits 3. Oh, how do I get rid of this bullet point? Yeah, look at that. Real-time editing. So if you can't tell, I actually just pulled this up in Word so I can make any changes I might need to do. Okay, transferability within Nevada. So this will transfer within NSHE as a Math 126 course. It may transfer outside, so just talk to your counselor or whoever if you're going to go to a school outside of Nevada. Linkage to college mission, apply mathematical. I'll let you read that. So links to college mission. Textbook is going to be Pre-Calculus by J. Abramson by Lumen Pre-Calculus. Online homework management, that's what OHM stands for. Those should probably be capitals. And then the digital access is what it is. So you get a code and you can put it in. There's the ISBN, that's not the code. So you can access this. You can go click on the first 1.1 homework assignment, and then you can create your account in Lumen. It'll just do it from Canvas and it'll connect you up. Everything's done in Canvas. So you can do a 2-week trial, and then you can get your access code. And I was supposed to say technically we do have a bookstore now, so you can get it from the bookstore. I'm going to stop talking about that. Okay. But you don't need to go to the Lumen website. So you should have a textbook. You need to have access because that's the grading system as well. And the scientific or graphing calculator, there are some embedded calculators that I put in Lumen. I like the TI-84, it's a great calculator, but there's stuff that you're going to see in the videos I've made, if you watch the videos I made, where I use Desmos, which is an amazing free program. I don't know how they do it for free, but they do. Grading scale is pretty standard, A, B, C, D, F. Grade breakdown, 60% is the quizzes, and there'll be 1 quiz per chapter, 40% is the homework assignments. Now, well, I'll get to that in a second. So, course videos, please watch all videos in this course and take notes on them. These are arranged by chapter under the modules tab. There are embedded videos that the publishers put in the textbook. There's also videos I've made on each topic within each section. So you can watch those. Are topical. I used to make like 30 to 40 minute videos, and people complained that it was too long. They wanted shorter videos, and so it didn't overwhelm them. Okay, homework. All homework assignments are on the Lumen website. The homework is completed through the practice activities. You may access them through the assignments tab. I'm not sure what just happened with my email. Under the modules or the course summary below the syllabus here on Canvas. Quizzes, each module ends in the quiz. Quizzes can be found in the assignments tab, the modules, the course summary. Okay. Grading of coursework assignments completed on Lumen OHM are automatically graded by the program, and the final grades recorded by the program are transferred to the Canvas gradebook. The official grade record for the course is in the Canvas gradebook, not in the gradebook in Lumen, because I weight them. They're weighted differently, the 60-40 split. So if you feel a problem was misgraded, please let me know so I can review the issue. So course pace. As an open enrollment class, it's important to establish and follow a schedule for the class. The schedule you keep is this is really your ultimate freedom and responsibility here. So you can complete, I've had people complete it in 5 weeks or less. In the very beginning of the semester, I wouldn't wait to the end because everything seems to pile up. You can complete it over the entire semester if you want. You can do some kind of combination, something in between. So some students may choose to complete the course over the entire semester. Others may choose to complete the course in 5 weeks. While the ultimate due date for the class is the last day of the semester, due dates will be set for assignments as an encouragement and a suggested schedule to students to not get behind. So I set due dates. I also will give you as many late passes as you need because there's nothing late until the last day of classes. So you can always make them worth a lot. But there are dates in there, so you get some kind of a reminder, like, oh, you got to keep on some kind of a pace. So it's not meant to harass you; it's just meant to encourage you and remind you. Okay, I think I've had better success since I set that. There's no extra credit because you can always go back and do the work. You can make up work to adjust for missed assignments or to improve scores. Ultimately, due dates are at the end of the semester, so missed work can be completed. Electronic devices, you will need to use a laptop, computer, or handheld device. I don't know how you do this on a handheld device, but people have tried. With internet access to access the assignments. Attendance during the first week of class, you must complete the syllabus quiz and the OHM tutorial. If not completed, you risk losing your federal financial aid. Complete the syllabus quiz by Wednesday, September 2nd. So it's a simple quiz. You should get 100%. It's really not hard. But I need some kind of work shown so I can say, yep, this person's active in the class. Ethics statement, no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. I have been tempted with the rise of AI and resources there to start requiring in-person tests. And I know that adds a huge burden to people. And you have to go to some learning center, wherever you're closest to, or arrange it at a library or something. But if we can be honest about things and realize that cheating doesn't help you because you need this class for a reason, then I think we can avoid that. Grade appeals can be made to Dr. Rebecca Gates. She's the division director. There's her email address. Here's a disability statement. If you have disabilities, we can work with your situation with accommodations, but you need to get registered through their office. So that's just copied and pasted from their email that we got. Okay, instructions for specific issues. So you can go to the director if there's an issue. You can also go to the vice president of academic student affairs. There's her email address and phone number. Here are important dates. I would verify them with WNC calendar before you rely on what I put here because I could have a typo or something. So I am asking you if there's something that has to happen to change something in the class, go double check it. Don't say, well, I have the syllabus says this. I'm saying here now, these should be correct, but double check, verify. Okay, here's the suggested schedule I have for the class. This is very similar to what I do for my in-person class. So just to kind of follow this schedule, keep a regular pace, and you get through it in the semester. A lot of people will not focus on this class and be halfway through, and they've done nothing. And I'm like sitting there, I'm stressing out because you haven't done anything. And I'll get it done. But it makes it much more challenging as you go on with the semester. I mean, we have so many things coming up. It's like the second half, we get, the Nevada Day, college close, you get Veterans Day, you get instructional holiday, Thanksgiving, and so on. Life starts to get, as a distraction from school. So my suggestion is to keep this pace or faster from the beginning. Okay, and then here are the sections that we cover, along with the, for each section there's homework to be completed. For each module there's a quiz to be completed. So I think I've talked a little bit long here, definitely longer than my instructional videos. So I apologize for that, but go ahead and get started, and please let me know if you have questions. Okay, I'll see you online.